Hello everyone, welcome to Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I will show you how to download a picture from a document in Google Docs. So let's begin the video. At first, open the document that contains the image you want to download. Now right click on the image and click on View More Actions, and from here click on Save to GIF. This will save the image to Google Keep. Now find the image you just saved and right click on it, and from here click on Save Images. Choose the folder where you want to save the image. Enter a file name and then click Save. Your image will now be downloaded to your computer. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.